Alright, so first you gotta open up the gold chart, then select the 15-minute time frame. But remember, this strategy can be used on pretty much any market. So first we're gonna add the Ichimoku All Signals indicator from the indicator section to the chart. This indicator shows you buy and sell signals from the Ichimoku indicator all in one, but we just want to use one of these signals. We don't want to clutter up the chart too much, but still make a real profitable strategy. So click the settings icon for the Ichimoku All Signals indicator and head over to the style section and turn off everything except for signal 3 and signal 4 options. Then just leave the input settings at the default. So with this triangle below the candle, a buy signal has actually been given. And this triangle above the candle means a sell signal. But of course, sometimes inaccurate signals are also issued that you can eliminate by adding 2 more indicators. But before that, I gotta give you the heads up that we just rolled out a free copy trading system. Let me tell you, you're using a super strong and profitable scalping strategy with some top-notch capital management. So if you're keen to give this free service a try, just click the link in the description below this video and sign up. Easy as a pie. Now we gotta make sure the market is headed where we wanna enter the trade. For that, we can use the 10 and 1 different moving averages indicator. Of course, first we gotta make some changes to the settings. So now click the settings icon for the indicator and in the input section, change MA1 to EMA and then change the period to 45 and then change its color as you wish. Now active MA2 and select SMA as the method and change its period to 90 and then select its color. Now also active MA3 and select the SMA as its method and set the period to 180 and finally select the color of your choice. Then in the style section you can also change the thickness of these lines. Now by adding 10 and 1 different moving averages indicator and making the necessary changes, we can easily identify and remove counter trend signals. For example, when candles are forming above all 3 moving averages, we call the market trend upwards, and in this situation we have to remove sell signals and only consider buy signals. And similarly, when the candles are forming below all 3 moving averages, we name the market trend downward and remove all buy signals and only consider sell signals for further review. To filter out signals that form during market volatility, we can use the MACD indicator. But we have to configure the MACD indicator based on the other 2 indicators. To do that, in the settings and from the input section, change fast link to 21, slow link to 45, and signal smoothing to 7. In the style section, follow the video step by step. Now we can use the MACD to confirm signal generated by the Ichimoku indicator, in the sense that buy signals are only confirmed if both the histogram and MACD signal line are above the zero line, and vice versa. Sell signals are only confirmed if both the histogram and signal line are below the zero line. So now, with an awareness of all these factors, we determine the entry into trade rules and capital management. Therefore, to enter a buy trade, a buy signal must first be generated by the Ichimoku All Signals indicator. After that, the signal must be confirmed in two stages before we can open a buy trade. So after issuing a buy signal, the MACD indicator must confirm the signal. Then after MACD confirmation, we must check that the buy signal was issued under an uptrend market conditions, meaning the price must be above all three moving averages. So in these circumstances, we can enter the buy trade at the close of the signal candle. Immediately, to manage capital and prevent excessive losses, set the stop loss under the recent swing low. And finally, we can take some of the trade profit at risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 and then close the rest of the trade at a risk reward ratio of 1 to 2.5. In order to open a short position, we first need a sell signal from the Ichimoku indicator. That signal then needs confirmations from both MACD indicator and the market trend. So if the MACD histogram and MACD line are below zero when the sell signal appears, that provides the first level of confirmation. The second level of confirmation comes from checking that the market is in a downtrend, meaning the price is below all three moving averages. So once both those conditions are met, we can enter the sell trade when the signal candle closes. Once in the trade, we should immediately set a stop loss above the previous swing high to limit potential losses. For potential profit taking, we can initially exit some of the position at the risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. The remainder of the position can then be closed at risk-reward ratio of 1 to 2.5. But whether you're a beginner trader or a pro, to make more money, you absolutely cannot miss this recommended video.